Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Terence Lamini. I teach at FNS, Future Nation Schools, and I just played Fintr's Dragon Busters. Very good game. Our kids told us that they found it very informative. It allowed them to interact with the content they've learned in EMS, and they felt very excited to see some of the things that they learn and how they can apply into real life. So that is part of why we asked Fintr to come help us today. We're hosting Skills Day, how these learners can have skills that can not just be left in the classroom, but how they can continue over and above.
Hi, my name is Latita.
Hi, my name is Sama, and we just played Jargon Buster.
Today was my first time playing Jargon Buster for Fintr, and I enjoyed it because it was like 30 seconds and it kind of recapped me from like everything I learned last year.
I also enjoyed it too because I learned new things, because some of the concepts weren't really taught to us last year. Another thing is that it was so exciting and like it brought so much energy out of us,
Yeah. It was like, you want to get the money, you want to win.
You want to win, it was competitive.
You have the encouragement and like dedication to get the money.
Hi, my name is Kungawa. Today we did Fintr for schools, and so you can find this website learn.fintr.io on Google Chrome or any search engine. So what I did was answer questions about saving and what is saving, why is it important. So what I learned today is that saving is really important because we need such money for emergencies, because we can never know what happens, and this really taught me a lot about saving, and now I know what to save, and I can also spread the knowledge with people younger than me so they can also learn about saving.
Morning, my name is Uzoma and I did Fintr for schools today. My overall experience was like really good. I really learned more about saving and like the benefits, like earning interest.
My name is Sibahle and today I did Fintr for schools, the course on saving. Good, it was very interesting, and as someone who likes to take part in activities for learning, it really actually helped me. I actually enjoyed it.
Hello, my name is Tendo.
My name is Angie.
And today we were playing the FinMaster board game, which was really interesting and fun to play.
This board game taught me a lot about how to handle my finances, what to know when it comes to buying your assets, how you can calculate your net worth as well. And it told me a lot of financial, I got a lot of knowledge because I'm not a person who's good at finance. So this board game taught me a lot about how to watch out for my competitors and the people who I'm also working with, to see how they're doing, but most importantly to see how I'm doing financially. So I have to know how to benefit for myself and not to look at everybody and anyone else's pocket